Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. C, and I am here today because it is my very good friend named Mr. Caden's birthday today, and he is 6 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4. Caden's 6 years old, and Caden loves. Wait, what is that? Do you hear it? He's coming. Wait, come over here. Come over here. The YouTubers want to see you. Who is joining me today but Pete the cat? Now, my good friend's birthday today is Mr. Caden, and Mr. Caden is 6 years old, and he loves Pete the cat. So, Pete and I are going to read a story today in honor of Mr. Caden's birthday. We decided to read Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Let's see. Pete the cat. This is called the title page. Wait a minute. He fell down. Let's fix him. There he is. Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Written by Eric and illustrated by James Dean. And James Dean is the creator of Pete the Cat. He is the illustrator that invented him and created him. And you could create characters too. All right, let's make sure you can see these pictures really good. Okay. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he liked to sing this song. My buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. See his groovy buttons in there? Oh gosh, oh my Lord, look at this. Pop! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's see. Can you see? Looks like that one popped off, so there's only 1, 2, 3 left. That's it. You think he's still going to like his shirt? 3. And you can see some subtraction down here. We have the 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no, he never did. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. I like when you sing with me. Oh, look what happened. Pop. Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? This one popped off. How many are left? 2, because he had 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. And he really still likes his shirt, even though it's like half his buttons are gone. Look what happened again. Pop. Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? Oh, guys, look at his shirt. Oh my gosh, he's barely even wearing a shirt anymore. Let's see what happens. Yep, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He just kept on singing his song. My buttons, my button, my 1 groovy button, my button, my button, my 1 groovy button. Did you guess it? The last button has fallen off. Let's see. Pop. Oh no, the last button popped off and rolled away. Okay, he has got to get upset now. Okay, Pete does not get upset a lot, but every single one of the buttons is gone. Oh my gosh, 0 buttons left. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. What do you think he saw? Make a prediction. A prediction's like a guess of what you think's going to happen. And then whisper it in your hand. Put it in your pocket, and then you can pull it out later and see if you were right. His belly button! That's the best! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. Look at Pete's belly button. That's great. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. Well, Pete and I just want to say happy birthday, Caden, and thank you for all of my YouTube friends that sat and listened to our story about Pete and his 4 groovy buttons. And you can see now, my Pete doesn't have a belly button. Oh, he's not even going to worry about it because you know if I said, is Pete worried? It would say, goodness, no. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoy the rest of your night. And happy birthday, Caden, and I will see you guys next time.